Hello everyone. UK Jan 2024 intake deadlines are approaching. That's why Triospace is coming up with a 5-day UK admission letter challenge. Yes, you heard it right. We'll get your offer within 5 days. That's our promise. But confused, are you eligible for this? Yes, you are. I'll let you know who are eligible for this. It is for the students who want to get into a top UK universities. It is for the students who don't have a good scores in IELTS. It is for the students who are hesitant to write any English proficiency test. It is for the students who don't have sufficient funds. And it is for the students who had a long gap after their education. Yes, you are all covered. A dedicated UK expert counselor will be given to you who will take it forward your profile based on your requirements and help you to get your UK visa within 1 month. Not only this, if you have any other issues as well, don't hesitate. Call us on 8555 825 755. So don't wait. Reach out to Triospace Overseas today and fly to your dream destination UK for this January.